Now that I got those out of there, I gotta get these ones out of here. See that? Man, was that seat really busted, bruh. I'm so excited to get that out of there, man. As you look inside of there, there are two 13mm screws inside of there. Simple 13s that are at the bottom. And then if you go to there's these little tops right here, and under these tops you'll find a screw that you need to screw. Yeah, just like that. And once you remove that out, then this piece right here just kind of comes up and out, and then you slide the seat off of this rail right here, and that's how you take it out. You also have a couple plugs at the bottom. Don't forget about those. Driver's side out. Now let's do the passenger. Well, I guess now the fun begins. I guess now I gotta get in here and clean all this up before I put the new seats in. So I realized that I didn't have a vacuum, so I took everything and put it in the corner, and after I get the seats in, then I go up to the vacuum cleaning place and get it all out of the corners. Well, what do you guys think? I think that looks so much better than what was in there before, and it's almost all black now. Yeah, I'm really liking how it's turning out. So you guys drop a comment down below and tell me what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in the next video. All day long.